If your Xbox app looks like this, or Microsoft Store is telling you that you're offline even though your internet is working perfectly fine, this video should help. The issue usually looks something like this. The Xbox app refuses to sign in, Game Pass games won't install, or you receive random error messages while trying to download or update games. At the same time, your browser works normally, YouTube works, and other applications have no internet problems at all. I've been seeing more and more reports of this issue recently. Before we start, make sure that your internet is actually working. For example, if you're watching this video on your phone and the issue is on your PC, open a few web pages on the PC and confirm that the network is actually working. First, close the Xbox app completely. From the taskbar as well, you can close it. Now open Windows Settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Xbox. Click the three dots next to Xbox app and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Repair. Wait for the process to complete. If you are getting an error like this, click on the Reset button and wait for it to finish. Once done, launch Xbox app and check whether the issue is resolved. If the problem still exists, go back to Installed Apps and search for Gaming Services. Open Advanced Options. Click Repair. Wait until the process finishes. After that, click Reset. No need to worry about your installed games. Resetting Gaming Services does not remove your installed games. It simply rebuilds the Gaming Services component used by Xbox app and Game Pass. Once the reset is complete, restart your PC. After the reboot, launch Xbox app again and check whether you're able to sign in. If you're still experiencing the issue, open Microsoft Store and then select Downloads. Choose Check for Updates and allow Microsoft Store to update all Microsoft components, including gaming services if an update is available. When all updates finish installing, restart the system one more time. For 99% of users, this will fix the issue. However, if you're still experiencing the problem, the next step is to determine whether the issue is related to your current network environment. Try connecting your PC to a different network. If another Wi-Fi network is not available, you can temporarily enable a mobile hotspot on your phone and connect your PC to it. Once connected, launch the Xbox app and try signing in again. If the Xbox app works correctly while connected to the mobile hotspot, that confirms the issue is related to your original network and not the PC itself. This could be related to your router configuration, DNS settings, VPN software, firewall settings, network filtering, or in some cases, your internet service provider. If that happens, I would recommend checking any VPN or DNS settings first, restarting your router, and then contacting your ISP if the issue continues. Hopefully one of these solutions fixed the problem for you. If it did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And remember the channel name, Techman's Land. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.